Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today we'll be checking out the Bikini Heavy Armours mod, which replaces or removes some extra armor plating from the heavy armor, the FS-55, the I-44, and the GS-66, which you can see here in these pictures. It's all about streamlining the process of combat, you know, it's for speed and maneuverability, definitely. Anyway, so to download this, you're going to need two things. You're going to need the mod itself, and the mod is just one file to replace all of those armors. And then the other thing you're going to need is the Helldivers 2 mod manager. And that one just manages your mods, makes it easy to load into Helldivers, and it works better for most of these mods, better than Vortex, because Vortex apparently breaks some of these. So we're going to start by downloading the mod manager because it's the core to all of our modding efforts, and I'll hit the slow download. And I'm just going to save that in a folder that I have already made in my Helldivers 2 modding folder called the mod manager, and I'll save that. And then while that's downloading, I will also download the Bikini Heavy Armour set, which just has the one manual download button, and I'll just click manual download and hit slow. And I'll just stick that in the mods folder and hit save. All right, so let's go ahead and open up the folder that contains our mod manager. It comes in a zip file. We're just going to right click and extract it with your preferred choice of zip opening software to a file of the same name. That way I know which version's which, because it gets updated fairly regularly and using the wrong version can cause errors. And then inside of here is just a single yellow iconed executable called Helldivers 2 mod manager. Give that a double click and run that. And then this is what it looks like. It's just going to be a little list of all of the different mods that you add to it that you can turn on or off and then deploy or delete as necessary. There's one thing we have to do to set this up, and that is to go to settings, and we need to tell it where Helldivers 2 is installed, because you can install this on your desktop in the downloads folder. You can install it on the moon. Doesn't really matter as long as you tell the mod manager where your Helldivers 2 installation is. So to do that, we're going to click these three dots, and it's going to bring open a big list of all the stuff installed on our computer. We're going to go over to Steam, and we're going to right-click Helldivers 2, and we're going to say Manage, Browse Local Files. And this will open up the exact location that Helldivers 2 is located. We're going to go here and click the top menu bar, which is the address, and we're going to copy that and close that. Go back to the window searching for Helldivers, and we're going to paste that here at the top and hit enter. And then we're going to click select folder. So now we've told it where Helldivers 2 is hiding. We'll click OK, and now we can begin to add our mods. Now to do this, all we have to do is click add in the upper left-hand corner. We're going to go back to my downloads into Helldivers 2 modding, the mods, and then we're going to click the Bikini Heavy Armours zip file here, and then click open. This will load it automatically into our little search bar, and then we'll click deploy, this green button, which will load everything that we've got in this list into our Helldivers files. From there, we'll just hit launch Helldivers 2 here in the bottom corner. It's just convenient, it's right here. It's technically just clicking the same button that you'd be clicking if you clicked on launching Helldivers 2 in Steam itself. Okay, so to find these armors that we just equipped, we just have to go into the armory, click on the armor tab, and then just go down to the heavy section and look for the nearest bikini. Although up there it goes. I was going to say, it might require me to switch to the other character physique, but that looks like it's not the case. So this is the first one. This is the GS-66. I'm not sure if I have all of these. I have at least two of them. And the FS-55 Devastator. So now we can walk around looking like we are ready for action, streamlined for the summertime weather. I don't think there's a specific helmet variant for this, even though there are specific helmets for these armors. So you can wear pretty much whatever you feel like. and then you are ready to go wrangling and spreading democracy through the stars. Although it looks like the cape rides up the butt crack a little bit. You might want to pair this with the no capes mod to hide all the capes and make them invisible, just so that you've got a clear view of the cheeks of justice. So anyway, that's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. That's been a brief look at how to install the Bikini Heavy Armours from Nexus Mods. It's pretty simple and straightforward. And if you want to, for any reason, after you're done with it, to just uninstall it, all you gotta do is click on this trash can icon and it's gone. If you want to make sure all your mods are gone after you've deleted them from this list, in case you're concerned with errors or have errors, click the purge button, and that makes sure that all of your Helldivers 2 files are nice and clean and every last trace of the modded files has been removed. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.